I got glue in my system. Guys, we've all been there before, right? But a lot of the time we don't know what to do to fix it. So as always, New Lace CU are running an offer, 20% off your first system with them. Just type in New Lace CU20, coupon code box on their website, newlacecu.com, information in the description box. So glue, it's happened to all of us. It's not such a big deal with poly thin skins. It's more a big deal with lace systems. Now, it can be quite hard to not get glue in your system because at the end of the day, you're actually putting glue really close to the system, especially when you're doing the hairline. And it can be an absolute nightmare when you get it into your lace system if it dries. Okay, and that's the point here, if it dries. Now, if you've got a close eye on things and you've noticed that you've got glue in your system, at the moment I use Ghost Bond, so it's pretty obvious if it's in the system because it's white, so you can see it. If you do see that, there's one thing that you can do to ensure that it doesn't dry on the lace. That is literally the last thing you want because otherwise it will stick to the lace and you won't be able to get it off. You'll probably need a new system. So what I tend to do is cotton wool balls. No, not cotton wool. What are these called? Cotton buds? Cotton buds. People use them to... It is orgasmic. When you put it in your ear and you get the wax out, it's very orgasmic. Now, what I'd recommend you do is, by the way, don't wet it because otherwise it won't stick to the glue. Keep it dry. Where the glue is attached to your lace base, literally just use this to pull it off, okay? Because it'll attach to the cotton wool. Cotton wool, hair glue gets attached to cotton wool, right? So you literally just need to, around that area, touch it onto the glue and the glue should come off. You might need to be a little bit aggressive sometimes. Please don't wet it or put alcohol on it because it won't stick and alcohol's not good for the system. So literally that's what you need to do, and do it as soon as possible and it will fix the problem. I haven't really tried anything else to get it off because I find this so effective. You could also use cotton wool balls. I don't think they're quite as targeted. You can be really targeted with this, but it's probably worth a go. So what I would say, guys, always keep a box of cotton buds in your armoury because I can guarantee you they will come in handy. I hope you found that useful. Super close to 150 subscribers now. It's a really exciting time. When I started this channel, I literally just wanted to make a few videos to give some people some information, but I've really got into it now, and I'm so glad that everyone's enjoying my content. If you like the video, please give it a like. As always, reminder, 20% off your first unit with New Lace CU. Check out some more of my videos on my playlists. I've got playlists now, which kind of simplify everything a little bit. But yeah, hope you're enjoying stuff, and I'll speak to you very soon. Bye for now.